welcome back to my channel. I am finally here with another video. I know, I said I was gonna be back before. I'm kind of a perfectionist and I scrap so many videos. So many. And it's actually driving me insane. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you how many vlogs I've started, video reviews I've started. I'm seeking perfection, and actually at this point in my life it's just driving me up the wall and makes me look very unproductive. But I'm actually really productive behind the scenes. You guys just never seen the finished product. Anyways, I can't be the only one with that toxic trait. I know I'm not actually. So anyways, today though, we are getting this video up. That is my goal. I'm getting this video up. So today I have a haul for you of polishes that I picked up just kind of here and there. So this is kind of a lot of polishes now that I'm looking at everything. It's kind of a lot, but we're gonna get through it, and nail polish shopping is always fun, so I'm excited to talk about what I found. So first up, I picked up a few polishes from Noodles Nail Polish. So they released a St. Patty's Day polish, and so with that I decided to pick up some other things. Well, one other thing that I didn't already have, and then somehow, some way, I ended up getting a free polish because I got in on time. I commented on time. I'll explain when I get there. So I picked up Magically Delicious. This was just recently released. It's got this like really light pale green with a variety of glitters, and honestly, it kind of does look like Lucky Charms in a bottle. It is so cute. This is perfect for spring, no matter the day. No matter the day, you can wear this, and I think like some garden stamping over this would look really cute. The other one that I picked up is Black Friday Mystery 2022. I didn't get this one because I don't even know what happened. Honestly, it's been like a blur. This last, like 2021 was just a blur. I know for people 2020 was a blur. No, for me it was 2021, and I don't know why. But I went ahead and I grabbed Black Friday Mystery 2020. It's a beautiful purple. It's got some silver flakes in there. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm really excited that I have it. And then the polish I was talking about that somehow, some way I ended up getting it for free is Rise and Shine. So this is an older Noodles polish. I can't remember why she had extras, but she offered up 4 of them, and I commented on time. I don't know how that happened because I'm hardly ever on Facebook, but I was at the right time, and so she went ahead and threw this in my bag as well. Some other people got one too, but it was kind of like first come first serve, which again, I don't know how I made it in on time, but I did. Next, I picked up the Sally Hansen by Peeps collection. This is the 4 of them. I did pick up the other 3, and I am super pumped about these. These are so stinking cute. I love these collabs that Sally Hansen is doing, seems every spring, because I think the last 2 springs, well, this one is the 3rd. The last few springs, I think I got these in my Easter basket. The Easter bunny was kind of on top of things. So I'm super pleased to see them continue with what seems to be like a tradition at this point. This time they collaborated with Peeps, and these are just so cute. However, as cute as the Peeps are, they are disgusting. Okay, they are absolutely disgusting. I do not like Peeps. They're as delicious as the little corn candies. Those are freaking gross. Anyway, so here we have this set. Literally the names on these are the most creative names I've ever come across. This one is Peeps Yellow. This is Peeps Pink. This is Peeps Blue. And this is Peeps Lavender. Aren't they just so creative? And then the other 3, which were not available as a set, include Peeps Fruit Punch, which, spoiler alert, this is my favorite. We have Peeps White, and then we also have Peeps Sparkly Wild Berry, which is a glitter topper. These are so cute, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I know people already have their review out, but you know what? I'm gonna do my own because I'm excited about these. I picked these up at Ulta, and can I just say I ordered them from Ulta on like a Saturday night, and they came on like a Monday or Tuesday, like super fast shipping. They don't pack them well, but nothing was broken, so all good things, all good things. And then I picked up some goodies from TJ Maxx. I'm surprised to see that they still carry nail polish. The last time I went, there was 0 nail polishes, and only 1 of my 2 TJ Maxxes would ever carry them, but at one point, none. wear carrying nail polishes, that is. So I don't know what that was about, but I decided to pop in because I was near one. So I popped in and I came across some good polishes, at least I think so. So my TJ Maxx is all about OPIs. I'm not really sure what that's about, but they have a ton of OPIs, very few Orlys, and even less Essie. So basically this is just a haul of OPIs, which I'm totally fine with because I actually really like OPIs. I just think they're really expensive. So it's kind of hard to bite the bullet when it comes to buying them, but TJ Maxx has got some good deals. So the first one that I got is Getting Naughty on My Honeymoon. This was a part of the collection that I did not pick up, but it's definitely a shade that is right up my alley. This is just a pale light pink. It does seem to have a touch of lavender in it. I don't know what it looks like yet because I actually haven't swatched any of these polishes, but I saw it and I'm a light pink lover, so you know, I just could not resist. Another lighter shade. This is like a pink, but it's like a super pale pinky beige. This is Lisbon Once More OPI. Again, another collection that came out while I've been on YouTube and I decided to pass up because of the price. But I don't know, when I looked at it in the store I was like, oh my gosh, this looks like a more mature, earthier version of OPI's Let's Be Friends that was originally part of the Hello Kitty collection, so I snagged it. And then I picked up SUZI Chase's PORTU-GEESE. I've heard a lot of good things about this. It's just a really pale white. Kind of reminds me of like a newspapery white, but not as gray, you know what I'm saying? It just got a touch of gray to it. I'm excited to try this out. One of my favorite whites is one of Sally Hansen's. I think it's White on White or White on Time. I always mix up that name. And then Zoya Snow White. I like those because they're fast drying, perfect for a base when you're doing nail stamping. But I'm absolutely okay with the branching out, especially because this was like the price of a Sally Hansen Insta Dry polish. So, and I've heard great things about it. So sometimes good whites are hard to come by. So snag them when you can get them, right? I went ahead and decided to branch out a little bit. I picked up a MACHU Pichu. I believe this was originally a part of the Peru collection. This is kind of a shade that I don't typically go for, but you know what? I'm all about trying something new, so I did pick this one up. It's like a brownie, more brownie peach. I think this would actually look good on people with more olive skin tone, but I'm gonna try, see what I think. Some classics, at least at this point, I think they're cult classics, is in the, in the Cable Carpool Lane. This is a berry, and this is like my favorite shade for fall and winter. Every year, I've noticed the past 3 years, I just go for this. Like, this is all I want to wear. I want to wear it on my toes and I want to wear it on my tips, and I don't know why, but I came across this and I was like, oh my gosh, I can see why so many people like it because it is just so pretty. Now, it is spring and I am all about the bright shades at any time of the year, but I'm excited for that one. I'm really excited about that one. This next one is How Great Is Your DANE? This is more of a brown, again, another shade that I don't typically go to, but I'm willing to branch out. I want to branch out and try some new shades because sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I've kind of put myself in this box and it's like, no, I'm not gonna like that, and then I put it on and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is my favorite color ever, you know what I'm saying? And then I picked up these two, so I'm kind of on the hunt for like the perfect hot tamale red. I'm talking about like neon red. I want it so bad. I've been on the hunt for like the last year and a half. I don't know where to search, so throw all your suggestions at me. I will check them all out. In fact, I will probably end up buying all of them. But when I was in TJ Maxx, I did find OPI's a Red-VIVAL City. This is definitely in line with what I'm searching for, but I do want it to pop a little bit more. So I'm hoping to find something that gives me that pop. And the other one is She's a Bad Muffuletta. This is definitely not a hot tamale red, but it is a very, very pretty coral pink, right? And then the last polish that I picked up from there is Orly's Cake Pop. This is just a cool tone, pale light pink. I am so predictable at this point. This is, I think, one of their older polishes. It does come with the paddle brush though. That's what I was looking for because I have some of their older ones where they have the long, thin, skinny brush, and while I don't mind them, I don't prefer them that way, so I made sure to check it before I picked it up because this is a color I could see wearing on my toes. I don't know about the formula yet though, so if you guys want to maybe warn me that I don't want to put it on my toes, tell me now, because there are nights where I am leaning over my toes for hours. because I didn't realize how crappy the formula was going to be on my toes. Now we're moving into my last stop. Okay, these were picked up over, you know, maybe 2 months. Kind of a lot of polish to pick up in 2 months, but I didn't pick them up all in one go. I was at Target and I just, can I just say, like, the Target selection is actually really good when it comes to Essie. They used to have a great OPI selection, but that's been pared down. And actually one of my Targets decided to renovate, and I can't stand it because it used to be my favorite Target. Now I go in there and they hardly have anything. Like, the shelf is like bare and it drives me insane. And then they've decided to maybe stop selling items. I don't know. It's like, are you not carrying them anymore? Or did the brand discontinue them? Or are you just out of stock? Like, I don't know what's going on here. But one of my favorite Targets decided to renovate. They've been in the middle of it for like months now and it's kind of driving me nuts. However, I decided to go to a different one and their selection is bomb. Just thebomb.com. I picked up some good polishes. So I picked up 3 Essies. This first one is from the latest collection. This is Love Yourself to Pieces. It's a coral. What can I say? Predictable, right? The next one is You Do Blue. This reminds me of Bikini Sotini, except for it has a pink shifting kind of shimmer in there, which excites me. And also my Bikini Sotini has the older brush on it. And this one has that paddle brush on it, so I'm excited to use that because it makes for an easier application. And then in my pursuit of that hot tamale neon kind of red, I did pick up another one. This is Keys to Happiness. I think this is actually pretty close to what I want, but I just want it to like glow. So compared to RED-VIVAL City, this is definitely more orange, and this one seems to have more pink in it, but it still doesn't look pink. It just looks red. You know what I'm saying? It's like what was it, Cherries in the Snow by Revlon, but actually I would say, why am I saying, I'm talking in circles. I would say that this one is definitely more red. When I look at it, it looks red. When I pair it next to this one, it definitely looks red. It just seems that next to each other, this color pulls out the pink in this. Does that even make sense? I hope so. And then the last one I decided to pick up is from Sally Hansen's Insta Dry line. This is Gain Momentum. This is not typically a shade I go for. I like the shade on other people, but it's usually a shade that when I wear it, it's like, no, this doesn't look right. I look like I have lobster hands, but I'm gonna give it a go because right now I'm just in that mood for earthy spring shades too. Those earthy spring shades that translate well to fall, that's kind of what I'm digging. And also a hot tamale red if you haven't picked up on that. So that is what I picked up. I'm definitely going to show you guys some close-up bottle shots. You guys will have already seen them, but this is just a lot of polish for me to swatch right now, and I'm actually trying to be true to what I wear because it's kind of a little bit conflicting in my mind if I actually wore something, if I only swatched it. I technically did wear it, but did I wear it to my heart's content? Probably not. So that's where the conflict arises. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give me recommendations for a hot tamale neon kind of red. I would love to track one down. It's like, at this point, it's kind of driving me crazy because it's been over a year. So that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!